Most filler cap are usually round at the top, but in this video I'll be showing you how to achieve this clean square instead. So before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and also share this video to others who will benefit. The first thing you want to do is to sew your cap to this extent. If you don't know how to sew the filler cap to this extent, then you need to watch this other video showing up here. After sewing the cap, you are going to notch it into 4 places. So this is second notch, and then you open it up, these 2 notch like this, you open it up and you place them together just like this. After placing them, you also iron, and then you notch the other part. So this is the third one and the final notch. These are the 4 notch we'll be using: 1, 2, 3, 4. So after doing this, you are going to measure the remaining ashoke, this 9 inches, and then you place this other one on the top. If your ashoke is bigger than this, you can just make it 9 inches on the 2 sides. Then you join it together with the lining behind. So right here, I've already joined them together with the lining. So the next thing you're going to do is to pick the point where you've notched and then place it on the ashoke. That's the remaining part of the ashoke like this, and then you mark the point of the notch. You stretch the remaining part. This is the second notch right here. You also mark it so you can see the lines very well. And this is the third notch. You can see me holding it properly. You also mark the point here. And then the fourth one, the camera will not allow you to see it, so you just notch it too. Just mark it. So you are going to start your sewing. You place the notch on the point where you mark, and then you sew it down to the next point. If you are new to this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and share this video to other tailors who will benefit from it. So once you get to this extent where you mark with the notch right there, you stop, and then you turn it over again like this. Arrange it, make sure it's straight, and then you sew again. If you are a beginner in tailoring and you want to master the art of sewing and even sew your very first outfit within 7 days, then do well to join my masterclass, which I'm posting on Telegram. The fee is just 5,000 naira and it's for 7 days. The link will be posted in the description box and also in the comment section. So this is the third notch right here, and then you sew it to the beginning again. So this is the remaining part here we're sewing, and then you close it up. Once you get to this extent, you are going to cut out the remaining excess. So this means cutting out the excess, trimming it off. You want to make sure while trimming, you are always careful so that you don't cut the ashoke itself or the cap itself. After cutting it off, you are also going to weave it. So right here I've weaved it already, and then you turn it over just like this. After turning it over, you arrange the edge very well, the part that you've sewn, and you also iron. After ironing, this will be your result. If you enjoyed this video, do well to watch this other video showing up here.